Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Okay, before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Today, I am coming back, haven't done a video in a while, for this particular program that allows me to receive 100 to 200 leads a day. And right now, I'm at the 200 lead a day point. Okay, this system is called My Lead Gen Secret, guys. Okay, it's only $30 a month. Okay, and what it will allow you to do, as it states on the page here, is receive 100 leads a day. Okay, for 30 days. And when you refer one person to the same system, okay, they will start sending you 200 leads a day. Okay, so as long as that one person keeps their membership and continue to pay $30 a month, you're going to get 200 leads a day instead of the 100 leads. Okay, so but this system is a great way to get leads. Okay, for people out there that says, hey, well, I don't have a list, I don't know who to start with, I don't want to really do solo ads. This is a perfect system. It has an email platform built in. So you can just log into your system every day, simply type a message, hit send to the leads that they send you. You're going to get 100 every day. It's going to accrue over and over every day. Okay, so just log in and do that. Now I recommend I spent an extra $30 to get the master email swipes that they provide. Okay, and I'll show you that in a second, but this is a great way, guys, to get started, and you can promote whatever you want to these leads. One day you may send an email to promote one product, another day you may send an email to promote another product. Whatever you want to promote, these are BizOp leads. Okay, so you won't have to worry about spam complaints and things like that, okay, because they're compliant. They've already been scrubbed by the company. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you at this point, and as of today, I have accrued 39,000 leads with this system. Okay, I didn't have to do anything for them. They come every day like clockwork, 100, 100, 100. As long as I keep my membership, I'm going to get 100. And as long as I refer one person, I'm going to get 200. And right now I'm at 200. Okay, so 39,000 leads. Okay, so I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to send an email from the back office. Okay, from the email swipes that I purchased. Okay, and I'm going to show you how simple this is. Just log in every day, and you can just use their emails that they give you. Okay, spend that extra $30. So it'll be $30 plus 30 one-time installation was set up, and then it'll be another 30 to get the swipes. Okay, so it's $90. All right, so you can do that. All right, so very simple. So let's go over to that back office. Hang on a second here. Okay, I am logged in. Okay, as you can see right here, here's my link. But before we do that, real quick, I'm gonna go back to the website because I want you to see some specific information that they emphasize. Hang on a sec. Okay, right here, guys, I want to show you something. It says 100 leads a day, right? So that's 3,000 leads a month. Okay, so let's go down a little bit further. Let me just show you what's on this page here. Okay, let's go down. I want to show you. Okay, right here, I just basically answered this. You can use our canned spam compliant mailing platform. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anybody reporting anything. Okay, and let's just go down a little bit further here. Not to mention it has an affiliate income stream built in it, but I actually joined it for the leads. Okay, but let's go down further. I want you to check this out. See, $1 a day, guys. $30 one time to get it set up, and then 30 a month. Okay, just wanted you to see that real quick. This is on the website. I'm going to put the link below for it though, and I have a marketing system. When you go through the link, you're going to go through a marketing system that I use for this as well. Okay, so let's go over to, and that was some testimonies they have on this page. So let's go over to the back office. All right. Okay, so we're back at the back office. All right, so right here, guys, right here you can see bonus leads and some previous emails that I've sent out. But I want to show you right here, master email swipes. I purchased that from them for 30 bucks. Okay, and then this is the mailing system. But I want to show you how easy it is just to send the email from the back office, right? So we go over to the master email swipes. Okay, I used this one the other day, so I'm going to use number 2. So all I do is click import email 2 into mailing system. Okay, you pick one of the emails you want to use and you click import. Okay, so I'm in here. Okay, and here's all the leads right here. I'm going to select them all. I'm not going to change this information. I'm going to leave it the way it defaults. Whatever it defaults to, I'm not changing it. And then it has my name right here. Okay, I'm going to leave it that way. Okay, and then when I come here, okay, oh, hold on a second. See, what it did is imported it over. The subject, did you see this? This was already in there. I didn't do anything. See right here, and it just ported it all over into the system. Okay, now I'm going to edit it. Give me a second here, and I'm going to come back. I'm going to edit it because I want to add some things. You can do that too, so hang on. Okay, what I did is I went in here because, see, that's the thing, guys. You want to make these emails your own, because remember, these are cold leads. These people don't know you, right? So I went in here to make it a little more personalized. Okay, but I took the template that that I purchased, the email swipes, and right here though, okay, first of all I changed it. I said it's Pandora here. Okay, then I went down here and I put my picture so they can see me, and I put my phone number. Okay, so they can see this is a real person. Okay, and right here I inserted. Okay, so you just go here to the link and you insert whatever you're promoting. Okay, now let me show you. They have a library right here. If you click insert from the library, look at all the choices you have, guys. You can put all these different symbols in here, right? So I can actually go here and I can add a symbol. I just added that other one. So just showing you how simple that is. See, you can do that. I'm gonna undo that, but you can add symbols in here. Okay, so make this your own. Okay, make this your own. So I just want, for the video's sake, just want you to see that. But just click here, insert from library, and they have different symbols. It also even tells you here, want even better results? Use my master email swipes. Double your leads to 200. When you refer one person, now you're going to be getting 200. Okay, so I've personalized it to make it my own so that the people can get to know me. Okay, and you can even come down here. Okay, like let me show you what I can put. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? If you have Facebook, you can put a Facebook link in there. Okay, but see, this way people can say, oh, this is really a real person. I can follow them and see what they're all about. Hang on, let me get that link. Okay, so again, I'm making it personalized. So I went in there and I put my YouTube channel link. Okay, now we're going to send this. I'm going to click perfect timing. Okay, okay, I copied it just in case it times me out. Okay, then you go right here and I want to preview it. All right, there's the preview so I can see what it looks like. The links are in there. It's ready to go. And let's send it. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do. Copy, paste. Okay, hit send. All right, let's see here. Okay, now, see what comes up? It tells me your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the statistics page in a few moments. So we'll go over there. Okay, it's going to take a little bit to to get that over there to see the results of it. But let's click it. Okay, give you an example. Oh, by the way, right here, see, 39,000. We just sent an email to 39,000. That's how many leads I have right now today. Okay, so you go to statistics. Of course, it just went out, but see, 39,000 emails. Okay, I have 39,000 leads. I'm sorry, 39,000 leads. Okay, now as you can see, the one I sent on the 15th, sent it to 38,000, and I got 3,815 opened it. Okay, so again, it's just that simple to do. Okay, so you get the email swipes for 30, you get the system, you get started for 30 for the one-time setup, and you're going to pay $30 a month. So it'll be 90 in total if you want the swipes. If you don't want the email master swipes here, the pre-written ads, it'll be 60 to get started. But I highly recommend it. That way you don't have to worry about figuring out, well, what should I say? But once you log in, make sure you go right here to the quick start video. That's what you want to do to get started. They also give you some resources back here. So definitely utilize what's in here, guys. But a simple way to get 100 leads a day. Now let me show you a system that I'm using. Hang on. I'm going to put the link below for it though, but check this out. Okay, here's a capture page that I'm using. Okay, as you can see right here. Yes, I'm excited to learn the secret. Okay, and this capture page system is only $19.95 a month, guys. Okay, so I'll put the link below if you're interested in getting the marketing system for this, and it has an autoresponder that will follow up with all your leads. So just think, you can also run traffic to this, guys. Okay, so 100 leads a day, marketing system, marketing tool that you can use, okay, to promote my lead gen secret. Okay, so I'll put the link below for that, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Okay, get this system, guys. It's worth it, especially for people out here saying they're struggling, they don't have any leads. How do I get leads? This is the perfect system for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about getting AWeber with this. It already has the built-in email platform all in one. All right, so till next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. All right, you guys have a blessed day.